Hello from Stortorp in Huddinge, and I'm revisiting this spontaneous nude beach spot 8 days after I was here for the Swedish National Day on the 6th. Today is 14th of June, and despite the forecast saying it's going to be heavy clouds and rain, we have currently some scattered sunshine, which is amazing. And I was so worried about my bike and getting wet. Then I decided to take my most inexpensive bike, and I parked it actually at the public beach Stortorp spot that's not so far away from here, because to be fair, nobody will try to steal it. So, and I can then walk along this nice nature over here. And as I'm saying, I'm very surprised that it is partly sunny, but the clouds are coming in, as you can see. So it was good while it lasted. 13 degrees Celsius in the air, but I must admit it feels much warmer than that. Especially here, because there is no wind. Especially with the sun, it felt like 23, to be honest. And it's gonna be amazing swim in the lake, as the water feels very warm indeed. And we're gonna see in a bit what are we dealing with, but it should be somewhere in the 20 degree area. Okay, slightly colder than that, 19 degrees Celsius. Still super amazing and nice and perfect for a dip, or actually swim, I must say. And the clouds are here, and hopefully the rain will delay a bit until I get back home, but it's not that heavy rain. The forecast says from 0.1 to 0.5 millimeters per hour, which is basically nothing. Few drops. Beach day number 61 is today, and we continue the Swedish beach adventures. I don't need sunglasses, actually, I realized. And yeah, I was thinking where should I go today, and then I thought there will be no people nowhere because it's this type of weather. So it's gonna be now amazing to go in for a dip in the lake Drevviken today. And the sun reappeared magically after a few seconds. So let's get going and enjoy a nice swim here today at Stortorp in the Drevviken Lake indeed. I'm so happy that my hair is growing a lot, as you can see, and I refuse to cut it. But I must soon do it, especially in the back. Okay, so we are ready for a swim in the lake Drevviken. So ready, set, and go! Look at that. It's so beautiful. Before the rain. Yes, the rain is coming for sure. So the question is, how long will I take my chances? But it's okay. It's not that worst thing in the world to get some rain, especially when I'm out for a swim. Now, it is not that cold as the forecast says, 13 degrees. It feels a lot warmer than that, actually. So yeah, it's beautiful nature view all around and amazing swim in the lake here, Drevviken. So with that said, it's time for Chris to enjoy a longer swim in the lake, and with another view of the nature and the heavy clouds that are approaching, it's time to wrap up this beach adventure. So thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.